Hey everybody, Rich and Candace with PCC got here the prize giveaway today for the May e-newsletter. So if you remember back, that video was all about PC-based automation, and we did some focus on the S7-1500 software controller. And in order to enter the giveaway, you had to answer the question of, with the S7-1500 software controller, if the Windows were to blue screen or to go down, does the controller continue to run, true or false? And the answer is absolutely true. Pretty sure everybody pretty much here got that question correct. So just to kind of go a little more on that topic, that is absolutely correct. So if your S7-1500S controller is running on that PC and Windows decides to do something that is not good, and it decides to blue screen and go down, while that can take out some Windows operations, the reality is that software controller and its connected network with I/O and drives, that all just continues to run. So if there's really any apprehensiveness with regards to using PC-based automation, thinking that you're reliant on Windows, we can get away from that conversation with this solution. So with that, we've got about 30 names here to do the random number generator, and Candace is going to pick our name.
All right, according to the random number generator, number 4, Michael from Coding Excellence is our winner.
All right, Michael, congratulations. We've got a golf swag bag here. So we got a hat, we got some Pro V1s, an umbrella, backpack, green repair tool. We'll get a hold of you and get that out your way. So thanks a lot.
Thanks.